With this curry korma kit, I'm going to show you how to make my korma. It's really rich, it's really fragrant, it's got a lovely hint of coconut. I've made it really easy by including all the spices. All you need are a few extra ingredients and then we can get cooking. Empty bag 1 into a bowl with 2 tablespoons of milk and leave to steep. Empty bag 2 into a pestle and mortar and crush the whole spices before transferring into a large bowl. Crush the ginger and garlic with a teaspoon of salt and place into the same bowl with the yoghurt and the main ingredient, then leave to marinate for 30 minutes. Mince the onions and leave to one side. Heat the ghee in a pan and stir in the contents of bag 3 until fragrant. Stir in your minced onions and cook to soften for about 10 minutes. Don't let them brown too much. Stir in the marinated ingredients and cook for a few minutes. Reduce the heat to the lowest setting. For meat, put the lid on the pan and cook for 20 minutes or just 5 minutes for other ingredients. Stir in the cream coconut along with the contents of bag 4 and leave to cook and thicken. Pour in the saffron milk, stir and remove from the heat. Add fresh coriander and a squeeze of lemon juice to serve.